Hello guys, so this is me and this is my cousin named Savannah, but I call her Nana. Yes. But 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 she go here yesterday. She live far away at
Sa Laguna.
Yeah. But I live
House 14.
But I live in Pili in Philippines.
Yeah.
And Laguna in
Bicol.
Philippines.
Bicol.
Yeah, Bicol. But my cousin Nana here lives far away. Yeah, it's not Bicol. And my cousin Nana has a baby brother called Baby Ace. He's only, what is it? February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. He's only 9 months old. And
Sub 2018 or sub mid sub.
oh, okay, but she said, do you know her from TikTok? She's sub 2018 or mig sub, she said. But my cousin Savannah here also has a big brother. His name is Miggy. We call him.
Sometimes I call him Yaya.
We call him Kuya Miggy because the big brother in Tagalog is Kuya, so we call him Kuya Miggy. But he's actually 14 years old, by the way. And I have a lot more cousins, but I think I'm gonna just video them when they come here, or maybe I think I'm gonna just don't video them, but I posted a video about this girl.
Yeah, it's 9 p.m.
Yeah, but this girl right here, it's called Nana. I posted a video about her when we're at her house. So bye guys, bye.